Okay guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we learned about the required field validation, and there are a couple more built-in validations that Angular supports. So the next one is the minlength attribute. So over here in the input element for name, I can specify minlength attribute and assign it a value of 4. So this means to say that the name form control needs to contain at least 4 characters, and if not, the condition or the state is going to be invalid. So let's head over to the browser and see how that is going to affect our form. So right now, name is invalid because it is a mandatory field and will not accept a blank value. So let me assign a value of QWERTY to this name. So now it is going to change to green because the form control is valid. But here's the thing. Let me remove 3 characters so that the form control only contains 3 characters. But it is going to display please enter a name. So this is something that is not right. So let's see why that is happening. So if you have a look at our div tag, we are displaying please enter a name only based on whether this form control is valid or invalid. And right now it is in the invalid condition because it does not contain 4 characters, and hence please enter a name is displayed. So what we need to do is dig a level deeper and analyze whether this minlength attribute is causing the error or the required attribute is causing the error, and then display the appropriate message. So let's see how to fix that. I'm going to replace this div tag with another div tag, and this is going to be making use of the structural directive ngIf. So this div tag is going to appear in the DOM only based on a certain condition. What is the condition? The condition, first one, is that this input element, so name ref, has to contain errors. So dot errors is going to be true or false. And then we're going to say that this is going to be logically combined with name ref dot dirty, which means to say that the value has been changed for this input element, or name ref dot touched. That means to say that the user has at least touched or navigated to this input element. So now we can also add this class. So class is equal to alert danger, so that we get a good red box. And within this, we can analyze what the condition or what is causing the error. So another div tag. This div tag is going to be hidden. Now when is it going to be hidden? So we're going to have not of name ref. So name ref dot errors dot required. Now we're going to say please enter a name. So if this required attribute is causing the error, we're going to say please enter a name. If it is not causing the error, then we are going to hide this. Now similarly, I'm going to copy this and add another div tag that is going to indicate whether the error is caused by the minlength attribute. So nameref.errors.minlength, please enter at least 4 characters. So now we can save this and head over to the browser. Let's see if it rectifies. Now initially the name is invalid because it is blank, and I'm going to add QWERTY again. So now it is valid because it contains 6 characters, and I'm going to remove 3 characters, and there you go. Please enter at least 4 characters. So this is the right error message that we need to display. And if I remove all the characters, it is going to say please enter a name. So based on which attribute is causing the error, we are able to display the appropriate error message. And similarly, the next attribute or validation we can perform is maxlength. So I can assign maxlength a value of 10, and this is going to restrict to 10 characters. And again, you can create a div tag that says nameref.errors.maxlength and says please do not exceed 10 characters, but I'm going to leave that to you. So far we have 3 validations: required field validation, a minlength validation, and a maxlength validation. Now another final validation we can perform is pattern matching. So let's say that our postal code right here needs to be 5-digit number. So pattern is the attribute, and the regular expression is we're going to start off with a number that is going to be 1 to 9. between 1 and 9, and then we're going to follow that up with 4 more numbers that are between 0 and 9, so 4, and then that is going to be the end. And then let's also assign a reference variable, so dash ref, let's go with pin code, and this we need to assign to ng model. So why are we doing this? That is because we need to get hold of this errors property. So just like name ref equals ng model, we're going to have ref pin code equals ng model. And now I'm going to simply copy this div tag and paste it underneath this input tag, and we're going to just change name ref with pin code. So this over here, and then over here, and then over here, this, and we don't need this div tag anymore. Alright, now we are going to basically see that instead of required attribute that is causing the error, pattern attribute is causing the error. If that is the case, please enter a 5-digit number. So let's save this and have a look if it works. So right now postal code is fine because we have not entered anything, but if I navigate, if I enter, let's say 1, it's going to say please enter a 5-digit number. Now if I enter a 5-digit number, it's going to be fine, and if I remove it, so 4-digit, it's going to say please enter a 5-digit number. So let me make it 5-digit, and let me also enter a name, QWERTY, and there you go, we have a valid form. Alright, that pretty much covers validations with template driven forms. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.